So guys, I am gonna show you how you can use this craft to make tutu socks or an anklet. So I know I've done that in my channel, but I wanted to show this again, the better way. So I am making a mermaid. I actually had an order for a mermaid out tutu outfit, the whole outfit, like the shirts, skirts, the tutu socks, and the hairband. So I cut out 2 yards out of this, and out of the 2 yards I split them into two, and that makes it 2 yard for each feet. So this is one of them, and the other one I have it on my sewing machine, which I'm ready to start sewing. So these are the ribbons I'm using, because that's the ribbons that I used on the tutu skirt. So basically each feet is gonna have 2 yards. So I measured this here. Let me use my measurements here. So from here to where the ribbon is gonna be, let me get it right where I want it to be, because it's the tool is longer, as you can see, is longer. So I am gonna trim everything. I just let it the way it is, and I'm just paying attention to this. So basically we are not sewing, we are not making no channel. This is our channel. So you just put all the ribbon facing up, and we are gonna start sewing. So I'm just gonna measure this here. So what I want it to be, okay, you know what, let me go top here because I can control that. I don't want it to be more than 3 inches long. So from the tool to the ribbon, I don't want it to be more than 3 inches long. So that's my aim. It can be less than 3 inches long. I don't want it to be more than 3 inches long. So now I'm just gonna start sewing. So I did my measurement off of camera because I don't want this video to be too long. We will see how that plays out. Sometimes I try for my videos not to be long, and it end up being too long, because that's because of the kind of thing that I'm doing on this channel. Tutu takes a long time. So I want to make sure that I'm holding on to the 4-piece in my hand, because I folded this into 2 to give me a channel, just like how we do the tutu skirts. So you have to really hold on to this so so it's in place. And just so you guys know, you can make just tutu socks and make that as a business. You don't have to make the tutu. Parents also love tutu socks, so you can make that just your business without making the tutu on the shirts. So you guys see what I'm doing? That's just all you need to be doing until you're done sewing. So I'm gonna complete this off of. So I am done with this one here. That's how it's gonna look like. So I'm gonna go ahead and start trimming. Make sure I did not lose the one at the bottom. Make sure that I got all the tool in place. Looks like it. So you can see I lost this one here. You can see I lost this one here. So in the process, so I'm gonna go ahead and sew it. So that's something you gotta watch out for. Also, make sure you're grabbing everything.
Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place if we can just find a way that we can live a better day. 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 Rise from the ashes, from the anger, from the war. Let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause. We should be.
Alright, so that's the kind of error to watch out for. You want to make sure you grab the two and everything is in what you're sewing. So you guys got it. So, oh gosh, I see another part again. Dang, look at another one. Oh, look at that. Alright, let's sew this one as well.
Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other.
So y'all, I fixed all of the problems. So now I'm just gonna show you how I do my cleanup, and I am gonna go on the next one off of camera, finish it up, then start the hair bow. So go ahead and cut this, trim this here. You guys see what I'm doing? So as to get a clean work.
Just admit that you're just afraid. Time to let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside.
Alright, it's clean now. This is how it should look like. And all I need to do is to put the band. Let me show you. So now I'm gonna do the rest, the other one off of camera. Come back and show you guys the final results. So guys, this is how the socks came out. You can see how beautiful it is. I kind of lost my footage, so I did not show you guys where I put the band, but you guys know what to do from all my videos. So this is how it came out. So beautiful. You guys let me know what you think. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, share this video, and do not forget to subscribe for more videos like this. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.